really good feedback from industry partners that have said, you know, your students are well trained. And then we have our CNA class.
Last year we were both in the CNA classes. They want to go the welding route, trades and industries, construction, healthcare and nursing, business.
I wish I would have had something like this when I was in.
There's a difference between teacher happy where their students get it, and then there's coordinator happy where I'm hearing from supervisors right away that the student is fitting, they're doing what they're supposed to be, they're crushing it, they're making great connections with clients or with coworkers and our bosses, and it's this like proud mama moment of like you're doing exactly what we're hoping for. It's high school is one thing, it's taking that schedule and getting to see them in real life, like work it, what they're doing in class, and to hear them say like, oh yeah, I did this in CNA and I get it, and they're doing it and it makes sense and they love it, or they're learning that like this isn't my favorite thing, but I'm doing it and I'm trying it, and it just makes me feel so proud. I can't even describe the satisfaction and the excitement I get when they're like, oh I love it and today I got to do this. It's that like watching a little baby bird like grow, and you're like, you're doing it, you're gonna crush it, and whatever comes next it's gonna be so good, and they get excited and they get to share the stories then too, and it makes everything we do come together, and it makes high school feel, no diss to high school, I'm a teacher, but it makes high school feel more meaningful when they get to put all this stuff together and then do something with it.